Hi everyone, this video will show you an example from our Unit 4, Lesson 13, Khan Academy assignment. So remember, you can find that in the Unit 4 folder, and then Lesson 13, and then look for your summative minor. Okay, so this time we're doing graphing quadratic equations in standard form. So here is our problem. G of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so I went ahead and on this, again, beautiful piece of paper, I wrote out my equation, and then I identified the A, the B, and the C. So our A, when there's nothing here, means it's a 1. Our B is our second one here, a 4. And our C is the third. Our C is also our y-intercept. So at 0, 1, our graph will cross the y-axis. Okay, so just like in all of these problems in these graphing problems, we need to find our vertex, which is HK. To find our H, I have notes up here, right? So I just looked right in here in the filled out notes to help me. Here is our formula for finding H. So it is a -1 times your B value and a 2 times your A value, which is a -1 times a +4 and a 2 times 1. There we go. So our final answer will be -2. That's our H, right down here. To find our K, just like in the last unit, you're going to take your H and substitute it into your original equation. So everywhere there's an X, I'm going to now put a -2. So I'm going to have -2 squared, remember it's in parentheses, plus 4 times -2 plus 1. A -2 squared is a +4. -2 times -2 is +4. 4 times a -2 is a -8, and then a 1 is a 1. So we have a -4 plus 1, and we end up with a -3. So our HK is -2, -3, and our graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 1. So we're going to go over to our graph and find our vertex, -2, -3. Okay, we know our A value is positive, so our graph should be facing up, so that looks good. So now we need to find our y-intercept, which is 0, 1. So we're going to bring this all the way over here to 0, 1. That should be it. Let's check. And we got it right. Okay, so I hope this helps and that you can see that I really used, as I'm learning this and beginning to practice, I really used the filled in notes to help me. So I have these open while I'm working on a piece of paper. And you can even see that that Khan Academy practice was almost identical to the first problem here, just the C value is different. So as I'm practicing and getting comfortable with this, I'm using my notes to help me. Okay, and remember that with Khan and with Delta Math, there's always a spot, not on here, but you can look and see the step-by-step solution, or if you're having trouble, let's see the next one. If I got stuck, I can use a hint, and they give quite a few hints to help you if you are stuck. Okay, I hope this helps. Remember that, let's see, that your Khan Academy assignments from 11, 12, and 13 are going to be equal to 50 points. So there's no excuses for not getting close to your full 50 points there. Okay, and if you need any help, please reach out before Friday.